Tutorial 1, Learn Cadet Basics. Cadet training. As a new honorary space explorer, let's go over some basics. So what is a database? A database is a type of container for you to hold and organize information. Think of a database like a bucket where you can place toys in so they don't get lost and you can find them later. This bucket might hold smaller buckets to sort your toys. So in the image, you can see it's like a bucket to hold all the different items that you have, in this case, toys. And it's really organized, so you can organize little buckets inside the big bucket. So there's robots, rocket ships, and stuffed animals. Next, what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and like its name, it's a language that lets you talk to a database to get the information you need. A SQL command is like a sentence you say in a database. So SQL, a language you use to talk to the database, so you can send, hey database, send me a rocket ship, and then the database will give you a rocket ship back. Now the third is, what is a table? A table is a database, or a type of database. So in this case, well, in all cases, tables have columns and rows. So columns move up and down, rows move side to side. And now you have some knowledge about what databases and SQL commands are. You'll be learning how to use them on your missions. Complete your first official space adventure. Now you can click the arrow key, activity 1 to start.